Alright, now that we've gone over comments, let's go over how to get information out to either a developer to check on the state of the program or to give information to our player in our text-based game. Now, what do we use to accomplish this? Well, we can use what's called a console log. This outputs some kind of data to the console, which typically is looked at by the developer, or in the case of a text-based game, by the player. Now, how do we create one of these console logs? Well, we start by typing console dot log, and we open a set of parentheses, we open a set of quotes, and here's where we can type our super epic backstory for our text-based game here. Then at the end, we are going to want to add a semicolon to end the statement. Now, what exactly does this mean? Well, we're telling JavaScript essentially, okay, we're going to look at the console, and then we're going to look at what it knows and what it can do. Log is one of the things it can do. So we're going to tell it, okay, here's a set of parentheses, now do it. But what are we doing it with? What are we logging, right? And here's where this text in quotes comes into play. We're going to talk about exactly what type of data this is a little bit later on, but for right now, understand that whatever text is within these quotes will appear in our log. Now let's take a look at how that looks. Go ahead and save the file, come over to your web page, and hit Control-R to reload, and boom, your super epic backstory is there in the log for the player to see. I encourage you all to have fun and get creative with this so that we can all make very fun text-based games.